that's good.
No, it's my turn.
It's not your turn, it's my
Now,
turn.
It's
what
my
you try?
turn.
It's not your turn.
It's my turn.
It's not your turn.
Olebe,
Yes, sir.
come here. What are you doing here, Olebe?
I'm playing.
Oh my goodness. Oh my impelitus, imbraparapatus goodness. Do you know what I did before I become a professor?
You be
You
mumu.
said I
You
asked
think
you,
say
do
they
you know what I
wise?
did
You are a
before
mumu
I
man.
become a professor? Do you think that this thing I'm wearing it for fancy? You said no, and you are busy playing. You are magamustu playing. So you have exam yesterday. Oh my goodness, no, so you have exam tomorrow, Abi? Eh?
Yes.
Have you read your book? Sorry, have you read your book?
You are a failure.
You have
You
read
are a
your book.
failure. You can
Oh,
never make
that is
it.
wonderful. That is
You
wonderful.
can never. You
As
know
I
you
was
cannot
saying,
make it. You are a
I have a
failure.
question
You
for
can
you.
never make it.
And if you
You
did not get
can
that
never. You
question,
know you cannot make it.
I will calamarize you. I said I will maclamarize you. I know you don't understand the English. It is too big for your understanding. But the reason why I put it like this, to know what I'm going to do to you is more than killing. Okay. What is the difference between bird and fly? Oh, you're wasting my time. That is how I first student when I was in university. I give you 20 questions in 1 minute. If you don't finish the question, you are failed. Fear nine is yours. But you doesn't have anything like fear nine. Now slap where I go give you. You make oh my goodness, you make me to spot broken. If I slap you now,
You can be prosecuted for
what is the
that.
difference between bird and fly? You are doing. If I slap you now, come on, tell me what I'm waiting. What am I doing before?
Bird can, bird can fly,
Yeah, bird can fly. What about flying?
but fly can't bird.
That's good. Wonderful. Say
There
it
is
again.
God, oh.
Bird can fly,
That's good.
but fly can't bird.
Wow, that's good. Guys, go and play, Joel. Thank God I played both your head today. Hey, this girl no book. Bird can fly. And fly can bird. Yes, bird can fly, but fly can bird.